Inspirational fitness tips for beginners. Know your goals. It's great to have fitness goals, of course. However, if you set achievable goals, you can start off with some extremely important victories. Starting your journey right can really help you stay in the right mindset. An example of a specific goal might be, I want to be able to do push-ups on my toes. Working towards this specific goal means you are working on getting fitter and stronger. It also gives focus to your training, making it easier to work with. No matter what you're doing, it's important to keep in mind the reasoning behind the change. To stay motivated, it's important to understand what drives you to achieve the goals you set. Whether it's feeling better or keeping up with your child, write down your goals. If you're struggling to stay on track, reviewing your goals should give you extra motivation. Exercise regularly. Consistency is key to building exercise habits and achieving results. Staying motivated can be difficult, especially if it's been a while since you've been exercising, says NSCA certified fitness expert Mike Donovanek, founder of fitness app Sweat Factor vs Healthy. For this reason, he recommends setting a smaller goal that you know you can achieve. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services recommends that adults get at least 150 to 300 minutes of moderate aerobic exercise, such as brisk walking or dancing per week. It says adults should do strength training at least 2 days a week. But more importantly, any amount of physical activity has some health benefits. No matter how simple you have to start motivating yourself, it's better than nothing. So that means exercising at least 3 days a week, even if it's only 20 minutes. Even if you have to sacrifice a trip to the gym to work out at home, wake up earlier or go to bed a little later than usual. This is how you see the results you want. Based on personal trainers and life coaches, your goals should be realistic, achievable within a specific time frame, and fit into your lifestyle and exercise routine. Once you've defined your reasons, write down a list of realistic goals. These goals should be as simple as possible to achieve. Then plan your workout the same way you plan an important meeting. Work hard and stay healthy. Thank you for watching and listening.